Hello, hi, and namaste. I would like to welcome everyone to our channel Freelancer Serving, and I would like to especially welcome those who wants to learn about post-processing on DGPS data. Okay, now let's start it. First of all, um, open Sollution software, and it is one of the post-processing software. And we create a new project, and in the project name here I'm naming it as YouTube tutorial. You can name as you like. This will appear in your last report title. Okay, so choose wisely, because when you create this you cannot change the project name in this software. In project unit meter, and then survey as you like, if you want to put your name or your organization. And then time zone, for Nepal it's 5:45, positive 5:45. And we select to the coordinate system. We need to select the coordinate system, and for the coordinate system ellipsoid is Everest 1830. I'm going to use this. On project parameter we are using transverse Mercator, and in the coordinate system name you can name anything to understand. Okay, and here I'm leaving central meridian as 0, and false nothing 0, and false thing as 5 lakhs, and scale factor as 0.9999. Okay. You can add 84, 84, 81, and 87 for central meridian. Here, if you know the central meridian zone of the place you are processing your DGPS data. For now I'm leaving it at 0, and if you know it you can change it, or otherwise it's not a big deal here. Okay, now we are connecting. Okay, you can add also a zero file if you have it. I'm not using here any zero file, because especially I'm going to use this. I'm going to use the DGPS for only precise X and Y coordinate, or nothing any string coordinate. It depends on your what you want. Okay, now we are going to add our observation data. And for the observation data, go to data import, and then observation data. You can add .dat file and observations file, Linux files as well. On adding this data, there will be a single point positioning, and it will take some time. Okay. After inputting the data, this type of window appears. In this window, you have to choose your measurement mode and the measure height. The measurement mode can be antenna slant height, vertical height, and face center slant height. Mostly we used to measure the antenna measured height by using slant height. We can, okay. So here I'm leaving, and in the measured height section, if you have forgot, or if you mistake on the height of the DGPS instrument height, then you can change here. And moving forward, now we can look to the time map, and this is time maps. And then plane map, this is the actual orientation of the map, and baseline list, and others, and many others. And now we're going to edit the point. Okay, and we know the actual coordinate of G6 station, so we're going to add coding it. For this, you have to right click on the point for file name and go to use as reference, and here you can select horizontal, use horizontal and use vertical. You can use two different point file for different horizontal and vertical data, and here I'm using both as a horizontal and the vertical non-coordinate, and I'm going to add this. Okay, after using the points as a reference point, we can also change the name and the measurement height of the station. Here I'm just giving you some of the means to change the point information. Okay, and nothing more. You can also change the antenna parameter, measurement mode, and type also. You can change the type to static, dynamic. Okay, that's it. I'm not changing anything right now here. And now we are going to process the baselines. For the baseline process, here is the baseline process function, and in this function we are going to static setting, and now solution mode auto, everything is we put as default, and we are changing, we can change cutoff angle and the epoch interval to 1 second. Okay, and everything as constant. You can change the value if you know. Okay, otherwise you can leave it as default value. Okay, then we are going to process or start the baseline process, and it takes some time, so I'm going to fast forward the video. Here what comes is the result of baseline processing. Here we got the solution status as qualified and the variance ratio as 99.9, then RMS values and horizontal RMS and vertical RMS. The lesser the RMS values is better, and higher the variance value, variance ratio value is better. Okay, we have to understand this, and let's move forward. Here what you have to do is we can filter this signal between the 2 points. Okay, that means baseline. Here are 3 baselines, so we can filter these signals. For that we have to select the baselines and go to residual field, and here you just follow. Okay, if you want to max the signal out, then we can select it, and after selecting, the red light feature appears there. We can also remove that by clicking the right click and cancel. In this way we are going to or we can filter the disturb signals. And after maxing all the filter signal or disturb signal, we can proceed to solve. Okay, after all these steps, there is a final step. That's the adjustment process. And go to adjustment setting, and here we are leaving as it is as a default setting. Okay, and then go to adjustment processing, and it is fast. Okay, and here we got the our coordinate. Adjustment grid coordinate is the coordinate we needed. Here we can get the northing, easting, and the height of our control point. Okay, in this way you can process the GNSS data, static data, in through Sollution software. And for exporting, you can go to export and start processing static processing result or baseline result as you want, and go to static and select the file type and select the folder you want to save and export. Okay, now we can go to the exported file location and select the HTML file to do the final processing report, and you can open it through your browser. If you are using Chrome browser or Edge browser or any other browser, you can open through it. And here it goes. Thank you so much for viewing our video till the end. Hope you liked it and hope it worked for what you are searching for or what you are looking for. And keep commenting if you have any problem. I will be very pleased to reply in your comments, and keep suggesting the video you want to see or you want to learn through us, especially GIS and remote sensing and soldering related video. Thank you. Keep subscribing, keep sharing, and keep loving. Thank you so much.